What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In today's video I'm gonna show you an awesome Cydia tweak that you need to download. This tweak will transform the appearance of the notification banners by making them drop down below the notch as if they were part of the notch itself. As you see, when you receive a notification it will look like this. This is a really nice tweak that will redesign your notification banners. Now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add the source. After adding the source, go to the search. Now here search for NotchBanners. As you see, this is the tweak. This tweak intentionally shrinks incoming notification banners to the width of your headset's notch to make them appear as if they were an extension of the notch itself when they drop down from the top of the display. It should be stated that NotchBanners makes banner notifications substantially narrower, which means you will see less content at a glance. Now just go ahead and install it. Click Modify, Install, Confirm. I already installed it, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open the tweak preferences. As you see, this is the tweak. The first thing you will do here is enable the tweak from here. Here in configuration, you can customize the appearance and behavior. In appearance option, you will find two options, custom and adaptive. In custom option, you can choose your own colors, so you will be able to change background color, text, and buttons colors. If you select the adaptive color, the color of the notification banner will appear as the color of the app icon. This means that adaptive uses the color directory from the app icon. Okay, I will choose custom mode. Now here in the second option, you can change the banner's width. Simply, you can make your notification banner smaller or wider and control its width. I just recommend you to leave it as it is. After making any changes, guys, click Apply to save the changes. Okay, I'm gonna try the tweak, so I will use this app. This app allows you to send a fake message to yourself. Here I will type a fake number. I will change the time to 2 o'clock. Now I need to wait until 2 o'clock. As you see, 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. As you see, when you receive a notification, it will look like this. It will make the notification banner more beautiful. As you see, here is another notification. This tweak, guys, is really good tweak and I recommend you to give it a try. You can download it for free. You will find the source below this video. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and peace.